You are watching Things Like You Need. Today I'm gonna show you how to reduce shipping cost on Sam's Club. Very easy method. Took any item that you need to reduce its shipping and take a lifetime cooler. I took out this here. Check its shipping cost. It's $14. Yeah, it's clearly $14. Let's begin checkout. Here you can see again it's $14. Before applying, click on it. I will show you it on any random address. Let ABC as a name and its street address. Oh, last name will taken as CDF. Yeah, any random address suggestions are available on it. Do not take any PO address, PO box address. Any random phone number. It's just an example. However, if you will not understand this, you can contact us, our team. Our team contact information available on description. Yeah, you can see again. It's $14. Now I'm applying click on it. It's just on address. Instead of residential to business and address, you can choose RD, RD, ST, ST and SIR, SIR. Clearly you can see this. It's $7. Very easy method. If you need such more tricks, keep watching our channel, subscribe and share our videos. Our team always available.